back in action. We back in the action, boys. Now I'm so stoked to start off this video in this way because this has been something I've been working up to for so long. Today, boys, bro, I am so excited to announce this. More excited than when Kim Kardashian dropped her sex tape. I think I was like 5 years old and I had to watch it ASAP. Watched it with some strange man at the library, man, talk about bonding. You know what I'm saying? Also, now that I think about it, I feel like that was quite inappropriate. Anyway, today, boys, we dropping the NameBran Yeezy Killer merch. Now, if you guys go to that link down below, you'll see shirts like this that fits dope with the guns. It's an amazing fitting shirt, but you'll also see other designs and other colorways. So go cop it right now, man. It's very limited stock, but there's one catch. You know your boy NameBran really likes to gamble. Sometimes, man, you know what I mean? Go to the slot machine in Las Vegas, get really drunk, pull out a pack of condoms, slide it in that machine, and just wait for a girl to come out. And then find out later that that's not how slot machines work, which is stupid. So I thought we'd add a little gambling aspect to this, if you will. So this is what we gotta do. The first 10 people to order any piece of merch on the website gets a special little gift from yours truly, NameBran. Whether it maybe be a custom sneaker that I've done in the past, or a Supreme sticker, or even an extra shirt. I'm not sure yet. I'll play it by ear. The first 10 people, though, are gonna get a special gift. So go try your luck. Go purchase a shirt. And just support your boy, man. Y'all know that we short on money lately. I'm not good at saving or collecting ad revenue because I fucking swear in my videos and I ain't about to stop. NameBran's for the children, but he is not a sellout. So that's the announcement today, man. As well as you guys have been asking about the giveaway for the blue tints. Ding! Cool little ad right there. Super sick. Look, I'm holding it right now. I am picking a winner today. If you guys follow my Instagram right here, you will find out who won that giveaway. I will announce this some point today. Anyway, boys, getting into this video, this has been very highly requested. This intro is gonna go real quick because I can't wait to show y'all what I bought. Y'all been asking me for a long time to shop on this website called DHgate. You guys are like, NameBran, do a $100 challenge. Now, my mind started wandering when you guys were asking me that because I had never visited this website. I was like, bro, what could this be? Are you guys trying to lead me to some propaganda shit? What is your motive? So I got thinking, man, I'm like, DH must stand for something. And before I click on this website, I'm gonna figure out what it is. I ain't trying to get assassinated. So you know, my brain started working for the first time in a little while. I'm like, DHgate, what could that mean? Ding! I got it! Dickhole! Obviously, it must mean dickhole. You like that little meme? That was Caillou. Biggest dickhole ever. Then I thought about it. I'm like, you know what? If there's a website called Dickholegate, I'd probably know about it because that's hilarious. Turns out there's not though, so I bought it. Go check out that website too. Then I thought again, man. I'm like, you know what? It's gotta mean Donald's hot dog. It's got it. And it turned out it didn't mean that either. Because I gained the cojones and I was like, you know what? Let's search this. It turns out the website is really shitty knockoff items like IOFFER and all the others. And y'all wanted me to shop on there, so I did a $100 challenge, seeing what we could buy with one bill. And I don't promote buying fake things as they do have on this website. However, I wanted to do a little challenge, show you guys what I found HYPEBEAST related on the website. And y'all know whatever we bought, we about to use for some props for some hilarious videos. Go watch yesterday's video, by the way. Probably my favorite video in so long. Without further ado though, boys, it's been way too much wasted time. Let's get unboxing. So we got, in my mind, was probably the 3 dopest items we could have got while being frugal with our $100, trying to get some HYPEBEAST crap. Let's start off with the small packages. I just stepped on bubble wrap and that felt heavenly. First package. Alright, boys, so this one was like a couple dollars on there. I've seen a lot of people actually unbox the real things from Supreme. This is a real item from Supreme, but it's a fake item that they made to look like the real item from Supreme. Bars. Was that bars? I don't know. We got the Supreme face mask, baby! This is so sick! Oh, dude, we have so many videos planned with this. You guys let me know if you should walk into a strip club with this and the Supreme money gun. We tried it before and I got punched almost, but we'll try it again. Wow, it's really hard to breathe with this. Oh, I want to take that off right now. So we got this, boys. The very first thing, the air holes. This is one thing that you can really tell with the fake. The air holes aren't actually, in fact, punctured, which is an absolute choking hazard and honestly almost caused my death. Probably gonna sue. Just kidding, I'm Canadian. We don't sue people. But that's the first thing, man. We got the Supreme mask. Next up, I can't remember what this is, but they wrapped it like I wrapped my dick, that's for sure. Too cheap for condoms? Tape works. No, it doesn't. Don't try that. What the hell is this? It feels like a Tampax. You know those things that your mom stuffs in her vagina so it doesn't leak? Oh! I remember what it is now, boys. I'm gonna say last up, the last thing we get is really, really sick, so just wait up for it. But I think this is probably my favorite piece out of the haul. We got the goddamn Supreme Blimp, boys. So this on the website was, I think, like $10, which is kind of ridiculous. I'm gonna get the real one at one point because I think they're like $80. Really dope room accessory. I know my boy Real Ray 20's got one. Fucking poser. So I'm gonna get it too. But we got the Supreme Blimp, boys. I'm really curious to see what the fake is and compare it to the real one, which is why we're gonna go over to Ray Ray's at one point in the video and compare and then quickly swap them. Hell no. I don't know how to blow up things, man. Just take it for face value. This is a Supreme Blimp, which can also be used as a condom if you can't afford them. You want this shit? Yeah. Anyway. Alright, boys. We got the last thing up. I ain't trying to waste too much y'all time today. Once again, merch is on sale right now. Y'all see me wearing this always. It's very, very sick. If you guys haven't clicked the link yet on the website, go do that. It'd be sick. Last up, boys. We got a goddamn package right here. I did slice it open just to check that it was the right package. It is. Now, I'll cover the info real quick. Somebody tried to send me a dildo in the mail the other day. Legit. I should have unboxed it on a video, but I threw it out because I'm scared of what it touched. Those things could be carrying AIDS or whatever the fuck. But I didn't look at what's in here. Without further ado, boys, I know what's in here, but I haven't seen it yet. Yes! Yes! Oh, these are actually great quality. These are, like, not great, but they're not bad. As y'all can see, we got the Nike Hyper Dunks. Fuck. What are they called? I don't know. We got the shoes that light up. Now, you guys saw I was actually shopping for these on IOFFER a long time ago. I didn't end up picking them up because they were like, I think $200 on IOFFER or something like that, but I found them on DHgate. Really cheap price. Once again, I do not condone buying this stuff. This is used for props. However, they're pretty cheap on there, man. Now, if you guys don't know what the shoe is, let me school y'all real quick. It's a shoe that self-ties. You know what I'm saying? It's got that self-tying feature, which this says absolutely not have. They got elastics on this. It also says Earl, which is kind of weird. But the coolest part, and I think these do it, I don't know how they do it, but they do, the motherfuckers light up, bro. Now let's try it. Oh! Yes! As y'all can see, they light up. Oh my god. So we got MT2 on there, which is Mutant Turtle 2, which is an Easter egg for Teenage Mutant Turtles 2 coming out very soon. If you guys didn't know, that's what that means. But here's a HYPEBEAST, man. I've never held one in my hand or anything like that, so I don't really know the quality. However, I do know Nike sneakers. These aren't Nike sneaker quality. However, bro, they light up. They got the not self-tying shoelaces. Bro, we got spandex on this thing. It's like my girlfriend's thong that I never get to see. She thinks I'm creepy, which is so weird. I'm your boyfriend, for God's sake. But yeah, man, there's a HYPEBEAST to the video. All of this is really crazy that it was all $100 with the Blimp. We're gonna blow this up and I'll do like an Instagram picture of it just so y'all can see how it blows up. Then we'll go meet Ray Ray at one point, as I said, do a legit check. Got this for $100 and we got the HYPEBEAST for $100, and that's how it looks like. So if anyone wants to like tell me down below if you have a pair, or if you've seen a pair, how they're supposed to look, or if these are even close or not, you guys let me know. But these to me are pretty cool from DHgate. Just giving y'all a little video that you requested, and of course I'm gonna give you that video that you request, except for the sex tape. That comes out when we're at 100,000 followers on Instagram, so look up for that. Appreciate y'all for watching. NameBran fans, murking the game, the greatest of all time. You guys let me know what you want to see more of. I do want to say, it's really crazy. Our views have been lower lately, as everyone's has on YouTube. However, our content's been better than ever. So if you guys agree with that, leave a comment down below of how the content's been lately. I've been really trying to work hard around it. Trying to do more things like putting out merch, be more connected with y'all. Once again, if you guys have donated to Patreon, I'm getting to that stuff this week, this coming week, for your rewards, stuff like that. Just another update. Appreciate y'all for watching. Mark the game, greatest of all time. Y'all the goats, blow! Psych, y'all know we ain't ending the video without getting to 10 minutes. I literally can't afford that, but I wanted to show you guys for the next minute the merch that's dropping in like real person form to get you guys to like look at it, stuff like that. They're on the table right now. I should have presented that. Ooh, she's sexy. Real nice. You're hot, man. Anyway, get that out of the way. These are the merch shirts that are dropping. I'll show y'all real quick. These are the samples. So the real ones are much cleaner, much cooler. We got Yeezy Killer Blood Splatter, or whatever you want to call it, paint splatter. We got white colorway of the shirt I'm wearing right now. Right there. Really, really sick. We got the white colorway of the blood splatter, the one that you guys just saw right there. And then we got this black one right here. You guys, oh, I didn't even do that right. This black one right here. You guys let me know down below what your favorite, what is this? That's a fake Gucci shirt. Embarrassing. You guys let me know down below your favorite merch shirt, please. I want to know what you guys want to see next, like for different merch shops, or what you guys want to see a hoodie of, because we're going to make hoodies with the most popular merch pieces. Appreciate y'all for watching. No, we gone for good. Panda, say what's up. Give a paw. Yeah, that's lit. And that's Butterball. That's my family. Y'all are my family. NameBran fam. It's lit. Plow.